Hi guys! How to download Hollow Knight on PC. So let's get started. Now launch any web browser on your PC or laptop to begin. This first step takes seconds, but using the wrong link later can cost you, so follow closely. Click the search bar, type Steam, and here is the important part. Always click the first official link that appears. One wrong click and you could end up on a fake site. Click the Install Steam button at the top of the page, then hit the blue Install Steam button to download and install the app. Keep watching because the next step shows where to find the game once you are inside. Once Steam is installed and open, click the search bar inside the Steam store. Type Hollow Knight and select the game from the list. This is where most people accidentally click the wrong version, so double check. Scroll down the game's page to find the buying options and click Add to Cart. Don't worry, you'll have a chance to review everything before paying. Click View My Cart, then select Continue to Payment. Here is a quick tip. Make sure your payment method is up to date so there are no delays. Fill in your payment details and click the Purchase button. Once that's done, the game will automatically appear in your library and download section ready to install. If this helped, hit subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.